Join me on this adventure through Ireland's beautiful landscapes, surfing epic waves, losing a GoPro, dealing with a car breakdown, and surfing waves that have never ever been surfed before. What a session, epic session, 3-hour surf, everything's going well, plenty of GoPro footage, got some sick barrels, didn't make it out but had some epic vision, and literally caught a wave, was trying to get a wave in, basically got a wave, popped up out the back, massive set rolled in, I tried to get out, this big maybe 4 or 5 footer broke on me, I tried to duck dive, got absolutely rinsed, somersaulted, flipped, and the leg rope hooked around the GoPro in my mouth, and I was trying to hold on with my teeth, and it just ripped the GoPro out. So GoPro's not even 2 weeks old, and yeah, it's gone. So 3-hour session, literally on my way in, GoPro ripped out of my mouth. Haven't seen any good ones that weren't closing out. Just saw that last set, it's small, but it held up. Barrels are on. I'm gonna take the surfboard and the bodyboard. Let's get amongst it while we can. The tide's getting better. Hopefully the swell hangs around. Try to get some barrels, let's do it. Phew.
My name is Sherelle Andrew Dean. They know me as Essay because they can't say Sherelle properly. And I've met these two wonderful men here, and we're just chatting up. Vala'au. Vala'au is Hawaiian for conversation. What saved my life is surfing. Surfing's my church. We're all related because we surf, and it keeps us young. I'm 65, I look 48, and keep surfing and be good to each other. And you have a moral obligation to be happy. And surfing, we have an advantage being surfers because we keep young and we just want to have fun and not hurt anybody and enjoy life and maybe have a bird or two in our pocket, if you know what I mean. Okay.
So we saw a wave in the background off some rocks here. We went and spoke to the farmer, chatted to him for about half an hour, he filled up our water, sent us down his private property. Reckons he's never seen a surfer out here in his life, been living here for 70 years. We're gonna head out there, try get some waves, a wave that's never been surfed. Let's go. We've got some dramas, the front wheels screeching and scratching. It's getting really bad. I think we've got like a seized caliper or something like that. So we're just checking in with a couple local boys to see if they can help us out.
What do you reckon? What do you reckon, Raymond?
So what's happened here, Raymond?
Oh, the bearing has collapsed.
Collapsed bearing.
The roller bearings are gone. See, gone there.
She's right on her last
She's absolutely
lifeline.
shot. Isn't it?
Yes.
Here we are, Connemara National Park. Got our friends Crystal and Serena from Galway. Been hanging out with them. This is the scenery. We got told about a little sneaky waterfall, so we're gonna hike up a little stream and go check it out. Let's do it. Phew. So last night was laying in bed, get a message on Instagram. Hey mate, I think I know someone who's found your GoPro. Track him down and looked in message requests. Sure enough, lovely fella from Easkian Island. Reckons my GoPro washed up on the shore, went through all my videos, saw the van, asked some questions, found someone who knew us, just came and picked up the GoPro. How good is that? Absolutely rat. Saved me another 400 euros for another one. So stoked. And I get the clips from the day. Epic surf sesh. So the Irish people, they're just the best ever. I can't, we laugh how funny, like we just lose our shit how funny it is, but the Irish have to be the nicest people on the planet.
Luck of the Irish.
Luck of the Irish. So good. Let's go. Good morning. Woke up this morning. It's been a rough couple of days. The weather's been a bit off. I get a load of this. Such a beautiful morning out here. Beautiful little camp spot. Amazing little camp spot. We woke up this morning. Couldn't believe it. We got sunshine, blue skies. Still about 3 degrees. It's been a cold couple of days. Yesterday's probably the coldest day we've ever had. Trying to surf, frostbite in the fingers. Our trip in Ireland's coming to an end. We're gonna try and hit our little sneaky spot one more time today. The conditions look good. We're gonna head into Derry, have a bit of fun for the next couple of days over the weekend, and then make our way back down to Galway, pick up my new surfboard, which I've ordered, and then make our way south to the ferries and depart Ireland. What are your thoughts, Shawnee?
Oh, look, it's been a pretty amazing trip, to be honest. Came to Ireland with very little expectations, and I feel like those expectations have been met.
Sean wanted to spend about 2 weeks here, and it's managed to come up to nearly 3 months like the original plan. So for him to last that long, put up with me surfing all the time, it's pretty magical. But this view, something amazing. Beautiful little spot. Makes it all worth it. Makes it all worth it. Little KFC feed for the boys. You caught me red-handed.